Chrysler 200 2015 to 2017 2.4 engine. The engine coolant temperature sensor is located on the right side of the engine. To replace it, disconnect the connector, use the dip socket to unscrew the sensor and replace it with a new one.